Virgin Brain is not only a simple application. It is not something you download, you entertain, and you get any benefit of it. It is something like a concept, a theory, a algorithm. You already have heard about subconscious mind. Subconscious mind word is not a mystery, but though it is not a fully solved thing. Currently also in our brain, when we search for the image of subconscious mind, we may not find, but there is some power inside us. There is something which is working for everyone. A thing which has worked for Albert Einstein and a thing which has worked for Donald Trump. A thing which is worked for Abdul Kalam and a thing which has worked for Narendra Modi. So these all guys are those who are believing in that if we can think, if we can believe in the same thing, then that thing will definitely happen with us. And this whole concept of human brain working system, like we have our thoughts go to belief go to result, which came over after our action. So this whole cycle is being developed on the power of subconscious mind. We had went through some of the very good research papers of Dr. Joseph Murphy and then Donald Trump and many other personalities. We had read their actions, we had read their words, we had read their thoughts and blogs, and then we come up with a very fine algorithm, use the best technology to provide the same to every student of your class. Your student will use this application on a daily basis. They just need to put the thing which they want. For example, I want to score 95%. They just need to put the same thing in the present tense. Like I had already scored 95% in 10th class. They need to put this input twice a day in the same time interval and need to follow the schedule for a couple of months. And then there's a 100% guarantee, like they will get the best result and they will definitely secure 95% if they are targeting the same with their full faith and trust. Though our faith and trust play a very major role, but we don't force them to initially trust everything on that. They just need to do the input. They just need to do the daily activities with the application and the input twice a day, the same sentence. As on as they will do the input, then their mind will work accordingly and they will get the feeling, they will get the intense guilt or the feeling to work on it. And due to that, they will study hard and they will get the better result. The benefit which you get from this application is the best result of the year in current academic section. This is what you will get by just providing the reference of this application to your students. And currently, as we are working on the algorithm and we are trying to make it as best and fine, we also want to see like how best everyone can achieve. We also want that everyone should secure the best mark and everyone should get a good confidence and a better chance to do the well in every exam. So I request you to kindly go through the presentation. Do contact me if you have any query or something. But this is a basic application which each of your students should use, and they just need a fraction of second in the day to get the best from their insight. Thank you. Thank you very much.